To remove the drive belt of the balance shaft and oil pump, the front engine cover and the plastic oil pan must first be removed. Loosen the drive belt tensioner and remove it. Now the belt can be removed from the rollers and pulled out downwards. Caution: the belt must not be twisted under any circumstances. For the installation, place the belt without twisting it on the oil pump roller and push it through to the top. Place the belt on the pulleys. Mount the special tool for the correct alignment of the counterweight. It can only be locked in one position. Insert the tensioner pulley. Place the belt on the pulleys so that there is no longer any play, especially between the oil pump and the crankshaft sprocket. Turn the tensioner pulley clockwise. Align with the marking and lock it. The special tool for locking the balance shaft can now be removed.